So, why are building healthy habits in the morning so critical for your success in weight loss? Why does it have such a dramatic effect on your positivity, your productivity, your metabolism, and your energy levels? I did a lot of research over the past 6 or 7 months on people who are very successful and what their morning routines are like. And I found a lot of similar trends for anybody from Bill Gates and Mark Cuban to any famous author, actress, or musician that you can think of. A lot of these people are very religious about their morning routines and schedules, from how they work out and exercise to what they eat every morning to how they pick out their outfit and the clothes that they wear and how they get every day started on the right foot so that they can prepare themselves for success in every aspect of their life. So just know that this course, though it be focused on losing weight and losing body fat with the minimal amount of time commitment with these 15-minute intense and extremely effective workouts, it's also going to be benefiting you in so many other ways. Keep in mind that some of the most successful and famous people that you know stick to healthy routines in the morning. Everything from exercise to the breakfast they're eating and any of the other healthy habits and routines, the smallest ones can make the biggest differences.